Hello my people, welcome again to Sheillah's Kitchen. Today we want to prepare this amazing dish, a Kenyan dish called Githeri. We use the white corn, the young white corn, the soft white corn and beans. Let's start by frying one large onion. Let's fry until cooked. Whoever is new in my channel, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more amazing videos. Okay, we added some crushed garlic. Let's saute and cook for some time. Then we add 2 medium onions. Oh, sorry, tomatoes. Let's cover and let the tomatoes cook well to form a thick paste. Let's see if our tomatoes are really cooked. Yeah. Sorry about that. So our tomatoes, they're cooked. Okay, I have some green chilies. For those who love chili, it's optional. You can choose not to. Some carrots, and we let it cook. We're back and the carrots are ready. Just mix well. Then we have some seasoning cubes, beef flavor of Royco cubes. Let me smash them so that they can, yeah. So here comes in our Githeri. I had already boiled it. So we will mix everything, combine everything well. And then we'll put some few spices. I have some curry there. That's curry powder. And paprika. I really don't like a lot of spices in Githeri. I just want it to taste natural. Oh, we add some water for a little gravy. Okay, that's it. We add some green capsicum. And let it cook for maybe 1 or 2. Maybe you ask why I didn't add salt, because I had boiled the Githeri with salt already. We added the Royco cubes, as you know, they are salty. So we let it boil for some minutes until the gravy is a little bit thick. Like that, you see our Githeri looks so yummy, and we will finish up with coriander, fresh coriander, and our Githeri is ready. If you love my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. That's how I served my Githeri. If you have a piece of avocado, you can accompany that with. So this day I didn't have. You can enjoy it with or without. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you.